Whoa, dude, what is that? Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just gonna be short and sweet. While I'm waiting for a couple parts to come in, I ordered offline. They're a little bit delayed. Like the replacement carpet for the entire truck, I ordered all black carpet, which should be awesome compared to the stock gray, which is just filthy and it shows everything. One thing about this truck, it was a one-owner truck and it was owned by a lifetime military vet. He bought it originally when he got into the military and he had it the entire time that he was in the military up to retirement. So this truck he brought with him from base to base, and he actually flew this truck and had it shipped to all the different bases that he was located in. Cities as San Francisco, Oahu, all around Hawaii, California, Virginia, which is pretty cool. So I go through the truck as you'll see and I find some pretty interesting stuff. Stay tuned.